Hi, I'm Ray, one of Bosch's product experts, and let me introduce you to the Bosch Series 6 Heat Pump Tumble Dryer, designed for effortless drying, maximum efficiency, and the kind of smart technology that takes the guesswork out of laundry. This model is available in a cool white or a contemporary graphite colour to give your kitchen or utility room a stylish edge. With a spacious 9kg drum, there's plenty of room for family-sized loads, making it ideal for tackling big laundry days with ease. It's also incredibly energy efficient because it uses heat pump technology, which conserves and reuses the hot air in a cycle to gently dry your clothes. Need clean clothes fast? The Super Quick 40 program dries a small load in just 40 minutes. Perfect for those last-minute plans when you need your favourite outfit to hand quickly. Bosch Auto Dry technology uses intelligent sensors to detect when your laundry is perfectly dry. This prevents over-drying and keeps fabrics soft and protected so they stay looking good for longer. And there's no need to manually clean the condenser. The dryer automatically rinses itself up to 4 times per cycle, helping it stay efficient and saving you time. The dedicated bed linen program ensures large items like sheets and duvets dry evenly. This means less tangling when you come to take them out of the drum. Only drying a few items, the half load option automatically adjusts the drying time and energy usage for smaller loads, giving you the flexibility to dry what you need when you need it. With its sleek design, spacious 9kg drum and intelligent drying technology, the Bosch Series 6 delivers outstanding results every time. Energy efficient and built to last, it's everything you need to make doing the laundry effortless.